Hey guys, we're working on comparing numbers again today. This time we're going to go all the way to 20. On Friday, we only did 1 to 10, but I'm going to show you how to use our comparing mat and how to do it without the comparing mat too. So there's a couple of ways that we're going to start. The first numbers we're going to use today are 9 and 15. Now, if we're using our comparing mats, the first thing we need to do is either draw or move our pieces. Now, on your slide, you've got pieces that you can move over, and that's great. We can absolutely do that. But on mine today, I'm going to show you how to do that without the extra manipulatives to move in, okay? So we've got 9 here. So whenever I am drawing in our base 10 blocks, I am going to make big dots for our units or our ones. So I've got 9 ones, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for 15, it's got a 10, right? So whenever we make a 10, instead of moving a stick, we're just going to draw the stick. 1, 10, and how many ones? And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we've got them drawn, and it's easier to see which side has more. Well, don't be tricked, because yes, there's a lot of dots over here, but remember, those are just ones. How many is in this one big stick? 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 or 9. Which one would you want more of? Would you want, remember, we're pretending that this is our candy. If this is our favorite candy, do we want 9 pieces or 15 pieces? 15, because 15 is a bigger number. So we're going to put a less than sign. And this is the way we would read it. We're going to work on that today too. 9 is less than 15. So just like plus, whenever we have a plus sign, we read it and. When we see this sign, we read it less than. So try it again. 9 is less than 15. Good. Now let's try it with 2 different numbers. Get these erased. Remember, we're working on drawing. So if you want to grab your whiteboard and draw this on your whiteboard for extra practice, absolutely, that would be a fantastic idea. All right, the 2 numbers we're going to work with now, we're going to say 11 and 6. All right, so now I'm looking at 11. How many 10s are in 11? 1. So I'm going to make 1 stick. And how many ones? 1. 1 dot. Now how about 6? Any 10s? Nope. So all we're going to draw is the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I don't know any better, I think that this side is bigger. Why? Because it has 6 full dots. I can see 6 things. But on this side, remember that this is actually 10. And because it's so much bigger, it counts for more. So, which side is bigger, 11 or 6? Do we want 11 pieces of candy or 6 pieces of candy? Our mouth is going to open up to the 11 because I want to eat 11 pieces. So now we're going to read this. This sign means greater than. When the mouth is open that way, it's greater than. So read that with me. 11 is greater than 6. Try it again. 11 is greater than 6. Good. Let's try another one. All right. Our 2 numbers on this round are going to be 12 and 12. Okay, so already I know the secret hack. If it's the same on both sides, what is it? I'm going to put the equal sign there. If it's the same on both sides, it's equal. Now, because I know that hack, I do not have to draw that. Now, if you're looking at those and you're not sure if they're equal, what should you do? Absolutely draw it. But let's draw it. There's 1 10, 2 1s, 1 10, 2 1s. Are they the same on both sides? Yeah. Good. Let's go to a different slide. And I'm going to show you how to do this without the mat. Okay, so it's the same thing, I promise. So if I set it up like this, in 2 groups, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this group. And I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in this group. Which one has more? That's all we're doing, guys. We're just looking for which group has more. So I'm going to, right now, because I'm not in my chart, I'm going to go ahead and circle the group that has more just for my brain. Okay? Now, which way is my mouth going to open? To the 9, the smaller number, or to the 19, the bigger number? We're going to open it to the 19th. So that's all you're going to do is draw 2 lines, down and out. And then this side can gobble up the 19 pieces of candy. Okay? So we read this 9, right? Because this is our number 9 and 19. 9 is less than 19. Not too hard, right? So if somebody asked you, just straight out, which one is greater, 9 or 19? You could reply, 9 is less than 19. Okay? All right, guys, you have some practice in quizzes today. I'm going to be looking for getting them right. Yes, you get more points for going fast, but I want you to try to slow down and do them correctly. Okay? All right, guys, we'll see you later.